funny is when we talk about reality TV around here, everyone's got an opinion about how horrible it is to like watch the women fight, and we say that we can't stop watching it. But you two about Scandal, this ABC show,
so obsessed with Scandal. Okay, so I don't have a TV. I haven't had a TV in almost 6 years, and so Pat comes into the dressing room one day. She's like, "Girl, who watches Scandal?" And I'm like, "I don't watch it. I don't have a TV." She's like, "You need to get on ABC.com and watch every episode." And so literally that weekend, it like rained. I watched all of last season's and caught up all the way to this season, and I've been actively following it this whole season.
It is sick. Like, I did it Friday, so like I was behind.
Obsessed.
And I like told everybody, okay, y'all, Mommy needs some quiet time. And I went in the room and I watched like the last 3 to catch up.
It's so hot.
Girl, I had to literally rewind.
I'm like on the outside.
I had to take
the
a last
I
shower.
don't watch the show.
Y'all,
I called Emmett in. I'm like, "Baby, can you come dance with me?" He goes, "What is wrong with you?" I said,
it is so sexy. Oh my gosh, it's this. So for those of you that don't watch Scandal, it's the president, and while he was in like his doing his campaign to become president, he fell in love with his press secretary, who was played by Kerry Washington.
Olivia Pope.
So basically, the president is a slime ball who cheats on the first lady.
But he really loves her.
And his wife is mean. Millie is mean.
Then she shouldn't be his wife.
Well,
and then he
that's
should
the
go
deal.
and have
Well,
his
that's what he
little
did.
thing.
So this last episode, he decided
he wants
to divorce the wife.
He's leaving her for Olivia.
For Olivia.
As president.
And Millie at the same time. So as he's telling Olivia, it's an interracial relationship too,
which is also very
scandalous.
Very scandalous in itself.
Well, he's telling Olivia that he's leaving Millie for her, and they like make love and they take a shower, and it's so hot.
And they have the best music.
While that's happening, Millie is doing a press statement with like the top reporter, who happens to be the chief of staff's husband.
Partner.
Oh my gosh, telling everyone that the president has been cheating on her. It is amazing.
I just figured out why some of our ratings numbers, most of them yesterday, were men. Isn't that what we're saying? I get why the guys are watching now, because they get to hear you tell a story like this.
That show, and I'm telling you, I don't have a lot of time to watch TV, but that show is, as you would say, everything.
It is everything.
It is everything.
And I feel like Emmett likes it too, right?
Yeah, Emmett watches it. He sneaks. It's so funny because we're like, of course, we like try to wait and watch it together. And every now and then he'll, like, if I don't get to it quick enough, he's in the family room watching it. I'm like, you cheated. You're supposed to wait for me. So it's like our thing to do together.
It's such a sexy show, and I think for couples to watch it, it's hot. And like every week, the like cliffhanger, you're always like, shut up. No, you didn't. Don't. I can't wait a week.
So right now, it's who is the mole. There's somebody who's been, it's the mole who's been kind of doing some really leaking information.
Okay, don't tell me, because I'll go and watch them back. I wonder if I can get it on demand.
You can get it on ABC.com.
ABC.com.
Or you can log on to my Amazon account and watch all of them.
I hate watching it on the computer. I need to figure out if I can get it on the computer, watch it on my TV screen.
Just go rent it at Blockbuster.
You will get. I did it on my little laptop in the bed. You will not mind it at all.
Okay,
I promise.
I'll do that. Listen, they get all excited about Scandal. I get excited about new ways to cover gray hair. This is where I'm at in my life. This is a big
nice
deal.
And easy, is it doing it for you?
I call them highlights.
This is to women what Viagra is to men. I'm just saying, because men go gray and they look sexy. Like Scott's hair is gray and it is sexy.
He is sexy, yeah.
It is. And mine doesn't look so much like that. So it says it's a European study. It says scientists have discovered the trick to fighting the cause of gray hair rather than the symptom itself. The new research, published in blah, blah, blah journal, focuses on the root of going gray by narrowing it down to a depletion of an enzyme called catalase that breaks down hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so when somebody has a buildup of hydrogen peroxide in your hair, the oxidative stress causes graying. So I guess you just have to lower the amount of hydrogen peroxide in your hair.
Or just buy some hair dye.
Well, let's talk about Scandal again.
You guys are obsessed. How about Dancing with the Stars? Did you watch last night?
I found my first gray hair on my 30th birthday, which I literally looked up at this ceiling and was like, God, you're hysterical. Had never found one and literally plucked that puppy out.
I haven't found one yet. But maybe it's my extensions. It could be covering it up, and I don't know.
It's unbelievable.
I think it was right when I started having children. Right when I started having kids, everything went to hell. It was like gray hair and skin everywhere and sagging and stretch marks.
I can't wait to have babies.
I've never seen gray on you though.
That's because I'm good at getting it colored, but you can see some right now. That's so pretty.
It's like highlights, girl.
Yeah.